Hey, welcome to A-Themes. Today we're going to walk through how to set up the Added to Cart pop-up module in Merchant. This module allows you to display an attractive pop-up with a product summary, call to action buttons, and product recommendations whenever a customer adds an item to their cart. It not only reassures customers that their item has been successfully added, but also provides opportunities to cross-sell related products, which increases your store's average order value. Let's go ahead and get it set up. Start by opening your Merchant dashboard and clicking on the Merchant menu in the left sidebar. Next, find the Boost Revenue section and select Added to Cart Pop-up to open the Module Settings page. Like all Merchant modules, this one does come with default settings enabled, but you can always make any changes to any of the settings. As you configure the settings, you can follow the changes in real time in the Preview section. You can also customize the text for buttons and titles. In this section, you can show the product info as well as the cart details. Next, choose which buttons you'd like to turn on and how you would like to display suggested products. This feature can also be used in combination with some of our other modules, like Recently Viewed Products, Frequently Bought Together, and Buy X, Get Y. You can even turn off the module for products that you don't want to have a pop-up. Then you can customize which pages the pop-up will be active on, and enable or disable the module completely on desktop or mobile. And finally, under Look and Feel, you can add your brand colors and customize the appearance of the pop-up so it aligns with your brand identity. Once you're done configuring your settings, go ahead and press Save. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.